Let us see in this video how to register a credit note for charging GST only. A credit note is a document issued by a supplier to the recipient when the taxable value, R, the tax charged in the original tax invoice, needs to be reduced. When a credit note is issued for GST only, it means the value of goods, R services, remains the same, but the tax charged earlier needs to be adjusted, for example, due to an excess GST charged, a change in GST rate, ER, correction of a tax calculation error. Let us take an example. Party name, Smart Life Cycle, and traders. Type, tax only. Assessable value, 10,000 rupees. HSN, SAC code, 99854000. Tax rate, 18%. Log in with the username and password of Creator's Login to create the credit note for charging GST only. Click Login. Click Finance, then Transaction, and click on Party Document, navigating to the credit note screen. To create a credit note for charging GST only, click the Add button. The default location ID will be updated automatically. If required, the location ID can be changed. The unit field will also update automatically based on the location mapping. Under the Type option, the following choices are available: Credit Note, Deviation, Credit Note, Others, Credit Note, Sales Return, Credit Note, Supplementary Invoice. Credit Note. Deviation is used when there is a price difference. Quantity deviation, R, discount adjustment between the original invoice and the final agreed terms. This type helps in correcting any commercial deviation without affecting the GST component. Credit Note. Others is used for general adjustments not covered under specific categories such as sales return, R, deviation, for example, promotional discounts, post-sales corrections, R, any non-standard adjustments. Credit Note. Sales return is issued when the customer returns goods after the sale. This helps reverse the sales value of the returned goods and updates both inventory and accounts. This ensures that the invoice value reflects the final transaction terms. Now, choose the credit note, Others. The document prefix will be updated automatically. Select the document date from the calendar. Choose the party name. The default currency will be updated automatically. If required, allowed currency can be changed. The goods type will be updated to without goods. Click Save. The credit note document will be created. Location ID, Unit, Credit Note Document Prefix, Credit Note Document Number, Document Date, Credit Note Prefix, Credit Note Date, and Party Details will be updated automatically. Click the Add button in Line Data section to enter the tax details. In Type, choose Tax Only. Enter the assessable value in unit price. Choose the HSN R SAC code. Tax rate will be updated automatically based on the selected HSN SAC code rates. Based on location details, if the transaction is interstate, the IGST amount will be updated. If the transaction is intrastate, the CGST and SGST amounts will be updated. Click Save. Choose the reason for the credit note. Click Save. Click on Create Invoice to create the credit note number. The credit note number will be generated. Click on Update Narration. The narration will be updated. If required, it can be edited. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. To review the journal, click on View Journal. The tax account will be debited. The party account will be credited. To forward the document to the reviewer, click on Post. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login and click Login. Navigate to the approval screen. Click on Detail to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click Select. Click Process. Then Forward. Choose the forwarding person. Click Process. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login, and click on Login. Navigate to the approval screen. Click on Detail to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, select the document, click Process, then Approve, and click Process. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.